The outrageously hilarious comedy review DAT A GWAN Jamaica remix opened last night. The play, directed by TV personality and theatre connoisseur Dahlia, received rave reviews. DAT A GWAN Jamaica ran last year. However, the remix features new stories, Hotline, a call-in by a domestic worker to Emily Shields that jabbed at the social media video of a landlord using a town crier to evict his tenant. Other interesting themes, state of emergency and foreign life, a cry to Jamaicans to stop begging from those overseas. The hit, however, was The Hard Talk, a tribute to the late Ian Boyne that saw patrons applauding from the start of the theme even before the actors uttered a word. The scene starred Christopher McFarlane as Ian Boyne.
And surrounding environment, politically, socially, and religiously come up with these things.
So it's not God's word.
Right, say for instance, 1 feed 5,000 with 4 fish and 3 barley loaves. And then 12 baskets.
Alright, that's your point.
Life and death, I tell you. Life and death. Death is not the ending to life because life cannot die.
Yes,
God.
Look, so you don't believe that if a man dies, that his soul can continue after.
Listen here, no man.
Yes.
Here, no man.
DAT A GWAN Jamaica remix lived up to its name, an outrageously hilarious comedy review. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Dahlia. Thank you for watching.